Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In Java, regular expressions, regex, are used to define patterns for searching and manipulating strings. When it comes to validating email addresses, regex can check if a given string conforms to the standard format of an email address. ### email format. An email address generally consists of two main parts. Local part, the part before the @ symbol, example username in username@example.com. Domain part, the part after the @ symbol, example example.com in username@example.com. ### basic email format rules. 1. The local part may contain letters, digits, and some special characters, example dot, underscore, dash. 2. The domain part usually contains letters, digits, and may include hyphens. It must also include a top-level domain, example.com, .org. #regex pattern for email validation. A commonly used regex pattern for validating an email address is explanation of the regex pattern. Asserts the start of the string. AZAZ0-9% matches one or more characters that are letters, digits, or special characters. Matches the @ symbol. AZAZ0-9- matches one or more characters for the domain name, which can include letters, digits, hyphens, and dots. / dot, matches the dot, before the top-level domain. AZAZ2, matches the top-level domain, which must be at least 2 characters long. Asserts the end of the string. Java code example. Here's an example Java program that validates email addresses using regex. Explanation of the code. 1. Pattern and matcher. The pattern class is used to compile the regex string into a pattern. The matcher class is then used to match the input string against this pattern. 2 is valid email method. This method takes an email string as input, checks it against the regex pattern, and returns true if it matches, or false otherwise. 3 main method. The program tests several email addresses and prints whether each one is valid. Output. When you run the above code, you should see an output similar to conclusion. Using regex for email validation in Java is a powerful and efficient way to ensure that user input meets the expected format. However, keep in mind that while regex can help filter out invalid formats, it may not cover all edge cases of valid email addresses according to the official specifications, RFC 5321 and RFC 5322.